Welcome to Merritt Ford. Spotlight on our new 25 F-150 with the Tremor package.
Got in our 402A Tremor. 402A gives you all the options, really well loaded. Let's take a look at this beautiful truck in black.
3.5 liter EcoBoost, fully loaded, blackout wheels, black Tremor boards, outside keyless entry pad, power fold mirrors, intelligent access.
So you got all the tough exterior things, but then you still get the nice comfort that you'd get in kind of a higher end truck. So you get your B&O Unleash sound system, speakers everywhere. You got your adaptive cruise control. You have your heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. You got this fancy mobile office package. You got your wireless charging pad. On and on and on of the interior comfort features. Then on top of that, you get some amazing looks. You got the Tremor logo, you got beautiful seats, beautiful wraparound leather, you got the dash, everything with a nice orange accent to give it that real Tremor vibe.
Lots of room in the back seat, fold down armrest with cup holders. You can have it for seating or fold it up under seat storage, or you can fold it down for a flat floor. Lots of storage, heated rear seats, USBs, inverter in the back, and 12-volt plug-in, power sliding rear window.
And then again, all the really nice trim and all that stuff. Cup holders in the back for the kids.
Trailer tow package built into this. The Tremor gives you tow hooks on the back. And this has the Pro Access tailgate, so you can hook up a trailer and you can still access the box.
Easy to get in, spray and box liner, inverter in the back.
Workstation built into it. It's got measuring tape. You can clamp stuff to it. And it is power up and down.
So there it is. That's the Tremor.
Come see us at Merritt Ford, Highway number 9 North.
Call 306-453-4444. Won't last long. Come see us.